Hey everyone, you've just discovered a magical portal that connects you to a world of limitless possibilities, a world where you can invest in companies from around the globe, from tech giants to emerging startups. Sound intriguing? Well, that world is right here, right now, and it's called Newton. But how do you get started on this exciting journey? How do you fund your Newton account and unlock the potential of global investing? Getting started, creating your Newton account. The first step is to create a Newton account. It's a simple process that takes just a few minutes. You'll need to provide some basic information about yourself, including your name, email address, and phone number. Once you've verified your account, you're ready to start funding it. Funding options, a variety of choices. Newton offers a variety of funding options to suit your needs. Here are some of the most popular methods. Bank transfer. This is the most common method. Simply transfer funds from your bank account to your Newton account using the bank details provided by Newton. The transfer usually takes a few business days to complete. Debit card. If you prefer to use your debit card, you can fund your account instantly. Just enter your card details and the amount you want to deposit. Interac e-transfer. Canada. Only if you're in Canada, you can use Interac e-transfer to fund your account quickly and securely. Apple Pay and Google Pay. Mobile only. For a more convenient option, you can use Apple Pay or Google Pay to fund your account directly from your mobile device. Security and safety. Your funds are protected. Newton takes security very seriously. Your funds are held in segregated accounts and are protected by industry-leading security measures. You can rest assured that your investments are safe and secure. Fees and costs. Understanding the charges. Before you fund your account, it's important to understand the fees and costs involved. Newton charges a low commission on trades, and there are no account maintenance fees. However, there may be currency conversion fees if you're investing in foreign securities. Making your first investment, a simple process. Once you've funded your account, you're ready to start investing. Newton's user-friendly platform makes it easy to find and invest in the stocks, ETFs, and cryptocurrencies that interest you. Simply search for the asset you want to invest in, review the information, and place your order. Tips for successful investing, a few words of wisdom. While investing can be exciting, it's important to approach it with a level head. Here are a few tips to help you make informed investment decisions. Do your research. Before investing in any asset, make sure you understand the risks and rewards involved. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread your investments across different asset classes and sectors. Be patient. Investing is a long-term game. Don't expect to see results overnight. Stay informed. Keep up to date on market news and trends. Seek professional advice. If you're unsure about investing, consider consulting with a financial advisor. Conclusion. Funding your Newton account is a simple and straightforward process that can open up a world of investment opportunities. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can start building your portfolio and achieving your financial goals. With Newton, you have the power to invest in your future. So what are you waiting for? Create your account today and start exploring the exciting world of global investing. End screen. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.